How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to stop insulin resistance. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So what exactly is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance is when we are eating too many carbs. Whether they be complex or simple, and our insulin levels are constantly being raised by them. They become resistant. Now, you need more and more carbs to raise the insulin, and it's a vicious cycle that just leads to type 2 diabetes and being overweight. So basically the way it works is if you eat too much sugar, it leads to a constant state of raised insulin levels. This leads to elevated levels of serotonin, which leads to carb cravings. This then leads to sugar highs and then crashes. So again, it's a vicious cycle. So what can we do to stop insulin resistance? There are 3 things we can do: exercise, eating a more balanced diet, and checking blood pressure regularly. So let's go over the balanced diet, you guys. The reason your insulin resistance is from eating too many simple carbs. Fast acting carbs are the bad carbs you want to avoid. These are cookies, pop, donuts, muffins, high sugar cereals. We want to replace them with high fiber complex carbs such as yams, brown rice, fibrous vegetables, and fruits. These are foods you should be eating more. You also want to increase fat intake. By increasing fat intake, this means you eat less carbs. With less carbs comes less sugar highs and lows and less insulin being excreted. That's why a lot of people adopt a keto diet when trying to get their blood sugar levels back to normal. You don't have to go this far, and simply just eat a bit more healthy fat, and eating more complex carbs will be enough. Now let's talk about the exercise portion of it. Exercising is important because it allows you to shed weight, and it releases healthy dopamine in your brain. I mean, this can be used as a feel-good sensation over food. Plus, it will make your overall life much better. Exercise is key to a healthy lifestyle. The last one we will talk about is blood pressure. If your blood pressure is over 140 over 80, this is hypertension, and you are at a higher risk of a heart attack and stroke. On top of that, you may have a higher chance of being insulin resistant. I recommend watching your diet and exercise to lower your blood pressure. On top of that, I recommend talking to a doctor for more tips. What I will also do, I will put a link in the description box, you guys, for an item that you can buy that will help your insulin resistance. Trust me on this, I'll help you out. So have a look in the description box. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.